I know. Bro, I don't know what she's doing.
Fuck you, get her. That one's cut.
This is your expertise. You don't want to see me with it. Not you locking your car door.
So I try to get in my shit. This is my weekend.
This is weekend. It's like the strong hand.
My strong hand. Three rings. Oh, you're official, huh? Can y'all hear that? These are pretty nice. I don't know why people talk stuff about Godspeed. Oh, there it is. Oh, yours is black. How cute. Godspeed Mono SS. Do that.
I got a little stretch.
Look at it. Y'all can't fit that in there.
You got stretch. I think that's what I was looking at.
Admit it.
Well, I could do that in the M.
We're not talking about the M. We're not talking about y'all second cars. We're talking about these little G.
What are we doing?
You tell me.
Do you think she's in NASCAR?
God damn, this is heavy, ain't it?
Yeah. Still high as fuck though. Hold on, give me a damn minute.
Put it back on. And wiggle it loose, yeah. Line up the holes first and then lift it up to it.
Damn, motherfucker. Okay, just hold on. I take the camera off.
Oh my god. Skip. It's the opposite way, towards me. Slowly. There you go.
Give me life, give me life.
What are you doing? Okay, now you have the right ones. start first. Let's go crazy and grab the phone. I need the elbow. I would drive like that. If I didn't have my regulator, that would be. Okay, see that? Look at him. Hey, what is this, an ASMR? What the heck is that? You think his butt crack's gonna be out?
It's a little close to the rock. No jack, no nothing. I barely got clearance.
You need a jack to get that?
I love Yetis.
It's almost there.
I feel like this wouldn't be as bad if we had new blades.
Oh! Closing video. Okay. Wait. Where did we leave off?
I don't know where we filmed.
Bro, what? Okay. It's the fact that her bottom half is so flat to the floor.
Stop, she's being good.
This is it?
It was a little dirty.
Okay. These are 245 40s. It's about a finger. Yeah, a finger. Pretty good. This is perfect. I don't know why it keeps looking like that. There it is. Not bad. It's a good, I don't know, it's at a slope, so it's hard to tell, but it's at a good height.
White wheels, hard, keep clean.
Everybody said that. Just put these on today. You gonna show your original ones?
No, I just packed them up.
Whoa, these are her new tips. She had smaller, like, heart tips, so we got these now.
Go to see it. Like a side angle.
Like a side angle?
I said side and go down.
What has this been? It's been like 2 months. 2-3 months, something like that, since we put these on, and they're still good. Like, no water.
It's all about that.
The water that you see is on the outside. Like, you see what I'm saying? Like, they held up. They're holding up really good. The sealant and stuff, you can see where I sealed it at and where it's stopping it from going in the lenses. These are the ones off Amazon, and they haven't leaked or anything. So
You take a look under my car. My shield is bent back.
and then going lower definitely didn't help it. Look at that.
Yep.
Yeah, it's probably, you probably gonna have to just take this off, honestly. But
Or my custom lift kit.
your custom lift kit. What does that even mean? Custom lift kit is crazy. Oh yeah, she wrapped her interior pieces.
It's not finished yet. I gotta do the middle pieces and then redo this one because the button's messed up. But
Pop your hood.
it's fine.
So now she got the interior pink. And this pink. Here's the coilovers. Godspeeds. The front literally only took an hour and 30 minutes, and the back took like 8 hours. Okay, seeing her car lowered, I done lowered mine's like an inch too, so about a ½ inch lower. My exhaust for the Beamer, I got my welder, so I gotta weld it. I got a muffler. So right now the Beamer is running catless headers, and that's it, because I took everything off. The old muffler had holes in it, so I gotta weld all that up. The engine swap on my little brother's bike went from this smaller engine to this. New exhaust on the Q. That back exhaust. Probably gonna do us a little sound clip. People don't know about these, but it's basically G37s, but SUV. It's basically this, but in a bigger body.
RDMS.
Give me life, give me life.